All right, so this is just a quick thing on how to do your tolerances in Fusion. So we've already said in Fusion we do have to go in and make some changes, like this is a countersink of 3/4 with a depth of, I don't know, I'm just making this part up. So, and that comes after, the depth comes after the actual hole, which we'll say is like a diameter 0.5. A diameter of 0.5. Okay. Um, so if it was saying we needed a tolerance here, this is where you'd go and add the tolerances. So we've got our different types. Like if we had a limit tolerance, we could put it in and add the upper and the lower limit and click close, and it will only do the tolerance of the thing you select. So you see how it's only doing that of the thing it's selected when you do the tolerance? And, symmetrical would be like that, and deviation would be like that, and you get to edit that in here. So it's very important that no matter what you're dimensioning, the thing that you want to put the tolerance on is the thing you grab. Like I grabbed this circle, whereas in Inventor, it would give you all of this information, and then you could go to each specific thing and change it for the tolerances. You can also, I believe there's a way to type this, but it gets difficult with using things like the deviation. So that is just how you go in and add your 3 different types of tolerances. So we got our symmetrical, our deviation, and our limit. And, that may not be what we've been calling them in the PowerPoint, but that's where they are in here. And it's very similar to how it's set up in Inventor. So I would suggest you watch the Inventor video I did to see exactly what you have to put in what place.